Milata, President of the Millington Area Chamber of Commerce. This is a very, very exciting day for Millington, a very, very exciting day for Dirt Cheap. We really appreciate this exciting new store being in town. It's going to be great for the community in so many ways. It's providing jobs, it's providing sales tax, it's providing shopping opportunities. We look forward to a fantastic, long-lasting partnership between the Chamber of Commerce, the City of Millington, and Dirt Cheap. I'm going to introduce right now Terry Jones. He's the mayor of the City of Millington. Mayor is a great supporter of the Chamber of Commerce, a great supporter of retail development in the community. Terry?
Yeah, retail development in the community, that's what it's all about. And my wife and I were just riding around this weekend, driving through Millington, and she said, look, there's another empty building over there. And then we looked and they saw Dirt Cheap going up. We said, all right. So anything that's bringing in new jobs and anything into the community, we're proud to have. And I know Andrew's been smiling all morning, so I think he's excited. And from the looks of the line here, there's a lot of people waiting to get in there too. So I'll turn it over to Andrew.
Andrew,
you want to introduce
I will.
Andy or Win?
There you go. I want to put those in. This is Randy Birch. This is our Vice President of Store Operations for Dirt Cheap. And we have Win Stevens. He's the Chief Executive Officer for Dirt Cheap and Channel Control Merchants, the company that owns us. So let's give them a round of applause. If it was not for them, we would not be here.
Tina, Teresa, and Shelby, please. Team.